Welcome. If you've ever saved a snap and noticed it going somewhere you didn't expect, you're not alone. Snapchat gives you a few different save options, and sometimes it defaults to saving in both memories and your camera roll. But if you want things simpler and more private, you can change it so your snaps save directly to your camera roll only. Here's exactly how to do that. First, open up Snapchat on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are accessible. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on that, and you'll enter the settings menu where you can customize how Snapchat behaves. Now scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Control. Under that section, tap on Memories. This is where Snapchat manages how and where your snaps are stored when you save them. Once you're inside the Memories settings, look for the option labeled Save button. Tap on it. This setting controls what happens when you press the Save button after taking a snap. You'll now see a few different options. To make sure your snaps are saved only to your phone's gallery and not inside Snapchat's memories, select Camera Roll Only. As soon as you choose this option, your setting is updated automatically.